Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this. These are not the facts, but today we will learn the Scratchpad's 10th video. This is, and we will learn particle attribute reader. In this example, these glowing particles following the source particle and taking the position, color, and also the size. And in this example, these green particles taking the red particle position and some group of particles following the same particle. And this is also a content example available. You can download from the Epic and check this out. And I'll show you this also from scratch. So let's start this by creating a Niagara. And actually, I will take the fountain effects. Okay, so you have your fountain and you can rename it anything. And if I duplicate this Control D, I have two, and I want to